Do you need a discrete panel that provides easy access to a wall or ceiling? Installing an access door doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. The new Sendrex adjustable access door takes only 5 minutes with just 4 easy steps to install and features a clean, durable finish. Step 1. Assembling the frame is easy. Just slide and click. No tools are required while adjusting the frame to fit rectangular or square openings. Step 2. Insert the frame. No additional components are required to box in the opening. Step 3. To secure the frame, just fold the tabs. It's simple and straightforward. Step 4. Slide the door into place. And that's all it takes. Always install the safety cables provided. The door is made of durable steel, provides a clean white finish, and is magnetically secured into place. In the past you needed experience and many tools, but with Sendrex, finishing a job takes just 5 minutes. Sendrex, access made easy.